In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the side mirror on your Honda Pilot. Let's get into it. We're going to pop this trim cover off, go to the top and pull back, pop it out of place. There's these two clips and then these two hooks on the bottom. We're going to remove the connector from the mirror. There's a push button on top. Push that down, pull back, and remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove one bolt, and there's going to be one more in this bottom right corner. Using a 10mm wrench, we're going to remove the last bolt for the mirror. Remove the bolt. We're going to pull the mirror out of place. And remove it from the car. We're going to install the mirror into the car. There's going to be two locator pins, one right here and the other down here. We're going to get our bolts started by hand. And then that one in the corner. Snug them down. Once all your bolts are snug, grab your connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull and make sure it's locked in. Grab the trim cover. These two hooks on the bottom are going to go in first. Line those up. And then we're going to push the top in. Snap it into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.